Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make the best pepper steak. Before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more recipe. Let's get into the video. These are my ingredients I'm going to use. First, I have my meat. I already cut it, clean and wash. I have around 4 pounds of meat. This is my green and orange bell pepper, onion. This is my hearty beef sauce, some black pepper, my oil. I got salt. I got all-purpose seasoning, my complete seasoning, some chopped garlic, A1 sauce. This sauce, guys, it's so good. I got some honey, and finally my soy sauce. So guys, let's keep watching. Okay guys, as you can see, I am seasoning the steak before I started cooking it, and I'm using half of my ingredient. Remember, don't put too much salt, and then we're gonna save the other half for later. I'm going to show you later. And then guys, remember, this sauce is so good. A1, I use it on my steak because it gives so much flavor. It's so good. And after marinated the meat, I am gonna to let it sit for at least 15 minutes, and let's keep watching. Okay guys, now I'm using a hot pan and adding the vegetable oil. I'm going to add the meat. So remember guys, the oil is supposed to be hot before adding the meat, and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes because we don't need the meat is overcooked. So after it's done, keep watching. After it's done, I am going to transfer it into a bowl. Okay guys, look at this. It's so good looking. I can't wait to enjoy my pepper steak. Guys, it's so nice. You can see. Remember, don't let it burn. Make sure it's nice and brown. And I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. You see? And I'm going to start with my vegetable. First of all, I'm using the same pan and get started with my garlic. I sauteed my garlic in the same oil after adding the other vegetables. So guys, stay tuned for the result. guys, I am going to use my other ingredient. First, I am starting with my hearty beef sauce. So this is like a broth. If you don't like this kind, you can use any broth you would like. So I love this taste and it's so good on steak. So that's why I'm using the same broth every time I'm cooking steak. So guys, and I'm going to use the other half of my seasoning, and then I am adding the meat before adding the other half of my seasoning. Make sure don't put too much salt. Guys, I didn't show you this is my combination. This is a combination I did with flour, water, soy sauce, and honey. I didn't show you that. So I did this because I want my steak to be thick. I love it like that. So you can use the same combination I did. So remember, I use water, flour, soy sauce, and then some honey. Yeah, guys, it's so good looking. Oh my god. Guys, I'm adding more soy sauce because I love it like that. I need my steak to be more darker. So if you want, you can just leave it like that. But I love it to be more dark. So that's why I'm adding more soy sauce. So guys, look at this. It's so good, so nice looking. I can't wait to show you the result. Mmm. Oh my god, I can't wait to enjoy it. I am sure you can smell it where you at. Guys, you better give it a try. You can't miss that. I will add the measurement on the description box below. If you want, you can just go get it and try it. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you tried and let me know how was it. Thank you. I'm waiting for you for another video. Bye.